Nagsagawa ng 2 araw na training clinic ang mga Paris Olympians at Filipina gymnasts na sina Alea Finnegan at Emma Malabuyo na ginanap sa Gap Gymnasium sa Intramuros, Maynila nito lamang weekend. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Balik Pilipinas ang mga 2024 Paris Olympians na sina Alea Finnegan at Emma Malabuyo na naghandog ng 2 araw na Women's Artistic Gymnastics Training Clinic nito lamang weekend sa Gap Gymnasium sa Intramuros, Maynila. Aabot sa 80 batang Filipina gymnast ang natuto mula kay Finnegan at Malabuyo na nagturo ng mga basics ng artistic gymnastics. Isa na rito ang rising Filipina gymnast na si Eliza Yulo.
Madami po. Na-learn ko rin po yung mga ibang techniques ko sa mga skills ko and some basics po.
Nagpaabot naman ng mensahe sina Finnegan at Malabuyo sa mga batang Filipina gymnast na pangarap din na maging isang Olympian.
I'm really so honored and grateful that I have the opportunity to represent you guys in, female gymnastics, and I hope you guys keep pursuing gymnastics. It's an amazing sport. It's something that's so near and dear to my heart. So, keep following your dreams and just know that you can do anything you set your mind to.
I would just like to inspire and motivate younger girls who will not only look like me, but also know that they can make it this far. And I want to be able to encourage them and know that I support them along their journey. And if they need anything, I'm your ate and I'm here. But I just want to say I'm so grateful for everyone's love and support.
Matapos ang training clinic, inaasahan na magpapatuloy ang misyon ni Finnegan at Malabuyo na hubugin ang mga susunod na henerasyon ng Filipina gymnast. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.